ADHD. You've probably heard the term. But what do you really know about it beyond the stereotypes? Today, we're raising awareness about Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, also known as ADHD. This is more than just being hyper or easily distracted. It's a complex, often misunderstood neurodevelopmental condition that affects millions of people, kids and adults alike. What is ADHD? ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It affects the brain's executive functions, things like focus, organization, emotional regulation, and impulse control. There are 3 types of ADHD. Inattentive, often labeled as daydreamers or lazy. Hyperactive impulsive, more visible symptoms like fidgeting and restlessness. Combined type, a mix of both. But ADHD doesn't look the same for everyone. In fact, many people, especially women and girls, go undiagnosed because their symptoms don't match the stereotypical hyperactive boy image. Common misconceptions. Let's bust some myths. ADHD is not just a childhood condition. It continues into adulthood for many. It's not about a lack of intelligence or laziness. In fact, many people with ADHD are highly creative and intelligent. It's not just about attention deficit. It's more like attention dysregulation. Sometimes hyperfocus kicks in, and they might focus too much on something interesting and lose track of time. People with ADHD often face criticism, self-doubt, and misunderstanding from others and even from themselves. Real-world challenges. Living with ADHD can affect every part of life: school, work, relationships, even day-to-day tasks. Things like forgetting appointments, zoning out mid-conversation, struggling to start or finish tasks, feeling overwhelmed by simple decisions. These are not just personality quirks. They are symptoms rooted in brain chemistry and structure. Without understanding, people with ADHD often experience anxiety, depression, or low self-esteem as a result. Diagnosis and support. If this sounds like you or someone you know, the first step is awareness. Getting a diagnosis can help explain years of confusion and open the door to support. Treatment often includes a combination of behavioral therapy, ADHD coaching, medication, support groups, and practical tools. With the right support, people with ADHD can thrive, not just survive. ADHD awareness is about empathy, understanding, and respect. It's time to move beyond the myths and see the real lived experiences of those with ADHD. Whether you're living with it or know someone who is, listen, learn, and share, because awareness changes lives.